This is MultiView, where you and multiple other people can all view the same data at the same time from different places in the world.
To set up MultiView, one person will have to be the host server. To be the host server, go to the Multiplayer tab and click Local Multiplayer. Then click Host Server. The dialog will give you an access code to join the server, or you can toggle it off and simply launch the server. Once the server is launched, everyone will need to join the server, including the host. To join the server, go back to the Multiplayer tab and click Join Server. Click on the server name you'd like to join and click Join Server. The TV screen in the room will let you know that you are connected to the server. Turn on the VR, then get to exploring your data together. Be sure that the project that you open in MultiView is the same project as the other people you'll be joining with, and that it has the same name in your project list.